Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson. I know it's spring break and I know you guys are tearing it up, having fun, but this is the week that I'm supposed to teach you coding, okay? So we're going to have a refresher. You remember what was going on, right? I started out with cryptography where I actually taught you things in plain text and ciphertext, okay? So that was letters and numbers, lowercase and lowercase letters also. Then we went into understanding the computer and knowing that the computer stores data in binary code. Okay, and so we actually worked that out. We did the numbers, we did the letters, and then we did some code messaging where you had to decrypt the message, okay? So the last time I did that was on President's Day. Well, today we're going to go back and look at binary code and know that binary code is equal to machine code, okay? So that's like taking these 8 bits here, an 8-bit here. This 8-bit represents the capital letter H. This represents the lowercase letter I. So what I'm saying is, hi, I'm back. Hi, how you doing? Okay, and so machine code, what it does is it performs gates in the hardware by creating these on and off patterns. Remember I told you about the extension cord and how it's either open or close, open. So that's a 0 and that's a 1. So this is the same pattern that is created in the code. And so now we're going to have an electrical current that flows through. Okay, and it's going to send instructions to be executed, right? But that whole entire process takes too long. It just takes too long. And you guys remember sometimes when I was coding in numbers, I would make mistakes on turning what to turn off and on to get to the next letter or number or so. So what I want to focus on this week is I want to focus on programming. Programming is giving the computer instructions, okay, to do things. This computer, which we're going to break down tomorrow, has a compiler, and it takes those instructions, which are readable instructions, convert it back to binary code, which is machine code, and then it tells it to do something, which is to execute it, okay? So I want you to keep thinking of this. I am the human. You have always been the man that has been telling the hardware, which is a machine, what to do. Now we're going to add some software into it, okay, so that we can get some type of execution. So I just want to think about these 3 circles. I want you to think about hardware. I want you to think about software. And I want you to think about the man. Because this integration right here is how we're going to get this execution, okay? So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena today. And just so that you can understand, I do know what I'm doing. This is something that was referenced in my PhD, okay? Where I actually looked at the integration of hardware, software, and the human, okay? So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena today. If there are any infomercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to Going to Work with Gena on YouTube. Thank you. Have a great day.